Jeremy Dover and Victor Demesmin Jr. are experienced personal injury attorneys who focus on handling cases related to car accidents in Florida. As personal injury attorneys, we understand that nearly everyone has been behind the wheel of a car at some point in their lives, and many people drive daily. With the average driver spending around 38,000 hours behind the wheel in their lifetime, the driving population in the United States is constantly growing, with an estimated 230 million drivers on the road. However, with so many people driving, it is not surprising that car accidents are one of the leading causes of injury and death, especially here in Florida. 7 million people die in road crashes each year in the United States, with road traffic crashes being the #1 cause of non-natural deaths. In Florida, road crashes cost about $3.2 billion a year, with many accidents caused by the negligence of other drivers. Contributing factors to these statistics include inexperienced and unskilled young drivers, as well as issues such as speeding, drunk driving, distractions, and more. As personal injury attorneys, we are dedicated to helping accident victims seek the compensation they deserve for their injuries and losses. Contact us today to schedule a consultation and discuss your legal options.